Okay, I got another CyberCityCircuits kit here. I've had this guy for about a week, and I have health problems, and it's preventing me from reviewing it real quick. Really what happened is I was involved in a car accident, but also I have Crohn's disease, and I was having a Crohn's flare-up, and somebody rear-ended me, and of course they left the scene of the accident, and it bruised my stomach and my intestines and stuff, so I've been having some gnarly health issues after getting out of the hospital. But let's see what they got for us this month. The unique thing about all that is, last month, some guy spun another person out on the expressway, and he drove in front of me, and I T-boned him. It totaled both vehicles out. It was a real bad wreck. But no one got hurt in that one, thank God. But the guy who caused all the accident, fled the scene of the crime too. So I was driving my wife's car, this second accident. So now we're having to replace one vehicle, waiting on the insurance check, and then hopefully we can get hers fixed. It looks pretty gnarly in the rear end, but everybody's okay right now. So let's see, Genius Game Kit. And we got our normal stuff. We got our sticker. And we got a color code chart for resistors. And a thank you card from them. Oh, we got a bunch of goodies. Looks like we got another nano chip. It's either a speaker or a buzzer. Got some two sets of female header pins. I'm sure it's to mount the Arduino. And then we got the male, some LEDs, a red one, a blue one, 2 push buttons, 9-volt battery connector, 9-volt battery. Oh wait, this is a slide switch here. And there's some more push buttons, a yellow LED, 4 of the same type resistors and 1 of another in the PCB board, a green LED, and our USB cable for programming the Mini, our QR code and our parts list. Let's see, Genius Game. I'm not real sure. Maybe it's like a Simon game. I don't know, let's put this guy together and see what's going on. Okay, after looking at the legend on here, we have this one resistor here. It looks like it's a current limiting resistor going to the speaker, and I'm pretty sure this is a Simon game. And then we got the 4000K resistors to help out with to drop the current for the LEDs. On these nanos, you have the digital I/O pins. They're set high. If you hear some rambling in the background, it's my cat exploring. Actually, my wife's cat. Cat, get. But they're giving us 1,000 ohm resistors for these LEDs, which is a pretty large value. You don't have to go 1,000 ohm. You probably get by with 220, but it controls the amount of energy they're going to use, and also how bright these LEDs are going. So 1,000 ohm, if anything, it'll increase the lifespan of these LEDs. And something like this, you also don't want the LEDs incredibly bright in your face. But as I was saying, on the Nano, on your digital in and out pins, they're either set high or low. And when it's set high, it's 5 volt, and when it's set low, it's 0 volt. So there's no in between on it. Alright, well let's put this guy together. Okay, now I got all the resistors soldered in. I'm going to probably solder in the buttons, this little side switch, and then the LEDs. But before you get too busy on stuff like this, one thing you need to always check is when you do have where you're welding sockets in. Welding, it sounds like I'm Chinese. When you solder the sockets in, be sure there's no components that lie under it that you need to put in first. So that'd be something of concern. Alright, now we're going to solder in our microcontroller here. It's got it marked here for USB this way. Don't be a bonehead if you're designing something like this and put the USB this way where you can't plug it in. I've done stuff like that before. Whenever you're doing these, you want to slide your male header pins in and then go ahead and put your female header pins in this way and then put it all together. Then tack it in place and then finish soldering it up. And that'll help you line everything where you can ease your microcontroller in and out. Well, she's all soldered together. Let's bust this battery open and put her in and see what we have. Well, that was easier said than done. All right, well, we have something. Well, that's pretty neat. Let's see. Well, that's pretty neat. I like that. Well, another quality CyberCityCircuits kit for y'all. And then on top of it, we get another nano. So win-win. Kudos to CyberCityCircuits and their kits. I really enjoy doing these things. Go to their website. I don't know what I did with their business card, but it's CyberCityCircuits.com. Order these kits. They're really neat. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe, and y'all have a good day.